Welcome to the low mid budget watch report. And today I'm going to unbox the Timex Harborside Coast. And I actually got this one as a gift for my birthday from my family, my kids and girlfriend. And yeah. And if you, any of my 5 viewers wonder where I've been all this time, I've been sick and my kids have been sick, so it has been like a children hospital at home. Very, very chaotic. Well, this is the Timex that I got for my wonderful family, so let's unbox this Harborside Coast Timex. And this is how it looks in the box. Comfy pillow. I like the box, by the way. Timex box, classy as usual. And there's a manual, Timex manual, and international guarantee card. Very nice. So let's take a look at the Timex Harborside. This is how it looks like. You see, it's the one with the red bezel and a date window. I'm not the biggest fan of these magnified date windows, but I guess they are popular. And as you can see here, there's a water resistant to 100 meters, and so you can probably swim with this watch and without a problem. So that's nice. I can take a swim in the lake with this beautiful Timex. Yeah, let's try this Timex on. Let's see how it looks. Fits nice. And it looks pretty good on the wrist. I actually didn't buy this Timex, so I don't know what the price was, but I guess around $100, $100. And it's a push and pull crown, and it's a nice push and pull crown, and you can rotate the bezel one way only. It's a bit hard to get a grip on the bezel because it's very thin, as you can see. And the bracelet is brushed and polished in the middle. Maybe I would have preferred if it was brushed in the middle. I don't know. I actually don't know. Yes. And on the back side you can see the Timex logo. It feels nice. It is not stainless steel. It's brass. Some type of brass metal. It's actually low lead brass. Well, let's check the measurements. It is a 43 millimeter watch. Thickness of the watch is 11 millimeter, and it is 20 millimeter between the lugs. From lug end to lug end, it is 50 millimeter. Yes, it's 50 millimeters. And from the bottom to the top of the crown, it is 48 millimeter. Yes. So if you need a NATO for this one, it has to be a 20 millimeter NATO. But I think I would prefer the bracelet. It's a very nice bracelet. It's just an ordinary bracelet, but it feels nice. And clasp is simple clasp. You just push these two and open and close. It's normal clasp. The edge of the bezel is kind of goldish. Let's take a closer look how this watch looks like up close. So this is how the watch looks up close. You can clearly see the magnified window, date window, and it's actually mineral glass. And you can see the goldish on the side of the bezel and also gold around the markers. And the Timex logo and the water resistant text is also kind of goldish. Yeah, it looks very nice. It's a very well done Timex, and as you can see, the bracelet is brushed on the outside and polished in the middle. Yes, and it's a pretty nice crown. And here's the back side, and it's the Timex logo with the globe. Like any other Timex, it looks the same. It's very nice. And here's the folding clasp, and just push this clasp to get it open. And yeah, this is how it looks. It is the Timex Coast Harborside. Perfect loom, I can't complain. There's couldn't be better. This is how I like the loom to look like. And yeah, I can actually tell the time in the dark with this loom, and that's enough for me. Very nicely done. Yes, sir. Overall, it's a Timex watch. My family knows that I love Timex, and so it's a great birthday present, and it's actually a very nice watch for the price. I don't know how much they bought it for, but I think it's around €100, $100, and it's actually a nice looking watch that you also can take a swim with, and you can wear it on a daily basis. And it's quartz movements, of course, very reliable, and it is a nice everyday watch. Well, being a Timex fanboy, I'm already sold on this watch, but it is actually a nice watch for the price of $100 or less or more. And that's all. Peace.